quality, the cost of poor quality is at a staggering number of 20% in manufacturing. Literally, it means 1 in 5 days in your 5-day work shift, you're producing scrap. I know it sounds weird, but it's not just a scrap, right? It's the rework that is involved, the effort, the labor that's involved in the warranty claims, the returns that comes with it. You've lost credibility, you've lost certain sales opportunity because of your poor quality, and whatnot, the compliances, the penalties that go with it, and a bunch of things. So again, the causes could be multitude. It could be all the way in the top of the chain with your design flaw or engineering flaw, to probably a supplier not meeting on time and they're giving a poor quality raw material, or the raw material was not kept in a warehouse at a certain temperature and certain condition which you are supposed to, in order for you to get the best yield. So it could be a variety of things, or it could be a process issue where the inspection, quality inspection, is visual based, right? You can only do so much. I mean, I've seen in person, I visited plants, I've seen the operators, they work at a very, very, very high paced environment. They are always on the clock. I mean, it's impossible for you to do 100% accurate job in the visual inspection. So some of the technology can come to rescue in certain cases, and sometimes it's a human error. You make a mistake, you don't set a process parameter, you have to go up the line, change the parameter, stop the line, take all the parts which was producing scrap, weigh the scrap, record it in a piece of paper or a whiteboard, and then go back and resume it. So as much as we would think it's getting more and more digital, there are many plans, they are still operating with the whiteboards and the Excel sheets, or sometimes a paper, and then every changeover, it gets recorded into Excel, and then the Excel gets into a master Excel, then it goes to a network drive Excel and whatnot, right? So the cost of poor quality is measured in two factors. One is the internal cost, and once it hits the customer, that's even more cumbersome, and even more it costs you because of all the other overhead involved in it. But this is one of the topmost concern. Most of the our customers, when I talk to, it hurts them, and it hurts really bad, and